So hey guys, welcome to another episode of Pan TheOrganizer. So today, a very different style video. We're going to have a discussion about why I believe that detailing is a stress relief, why I think it's a soothing experience, why it relaxes me, and I'm sure many of you will have the same sentiment and kind of share the same thoughts. I'll basically bring you through the process of how I started detailing, why I still do it, why I still have all this passion for this craft. And while appropriately, I'm sitting outside of my house here today. I'm enjoying, the fresh air and the colors in the trees, because this is the end of fall here in Montreal, Canada. So we enjoy the color changes in the leaves. Basically just take some time and have a Zen moment. I don't know. We're going through these tough times with COVID. Not to really talk about that because, I'm sure you guys are all in it as well. This is a global pandemic. And I think it's important to just sit back and kind of reflect on what makes us happy. And I realized over the years, I've been detailing for 23 years now. So I started when I was 16. I'm now 39. And there's something about detailing. I don't know what it is. I can't pinpoint it exactly. But what I can do is kind of share my thoughts with you on why I believe this is such a stress relief. And basically, I try to convey this passion that I have for detailing through my videos. And hopefully you guys can see this. But if you're out there and you enjoy detailing your car as well, I'm sure you share the same thoughts. And okay, let's start at the beginning. So I was 16. My parents bought me my first car for my high school graduation. And I had my driver's permit as soon as I could because I wanted to have freedom and independence. And so I was always a person obsessed with cleanliness. That's a common theme. From a young age, I really wanted everything to be nice and tidy and well organized. And so having that car, which was a 1990 Toyota Tercel DX, a hatchback, I showed some pictures because I had done a lot of mods to it. Those were the teen years back in the day, the Fast and the Furious days. And so in a previous video of my life story, I shared pictures of all the cars I had in my life. So check that out if you haven't done so yet. I wanted to find a way to clean it because my dad essentially had given me just a bucket with a dishwashing liquid and a sponge. And he said, son, that's how you wash your car. Somehow deep down, I knew that wasn't the right thing. To use something my mom was using to clean the dishes, it seemed pretty harsh. I had already started studying in science, so for those of you who know, I have a university background, studies in medicine, so molecular biology and biochemistry. And even in high school, I really, really enjoyed chemistry classes and physics classes and math classes and all that good stuff. And so I kind of figured there had to be a better way. So in the mid-90s or late 90s, we didn't have YouTube as we're lucky enough to have today. So there were no real online tutorials. There were more bulletin boards where I started to inform myself on proper techniques and car detailing forums and which products to get, how to do the process, and kind of make my own mind on how the things would work, right, and how to get a better result out of it. And so I bought my first buckets, my first wash mitts. Microfiber towels were just really starting to get popular back then. So we still had terry towels and the car shampoos. There weren't as many brands. The technology definitely was not there yet. We were very far still from ceramic coating technologies and even further behind as graphene coatings weren't even a thing. Graphene, I think, was discovered in the mid-2000s, but I digress. So I started cleaning the car with appropriate washing techniques, and I noticed that I was enjoying the process a lot more than I thought. So I started going down this rabbit hole, as I'm sure many of you guys can share the same sentiment, that once you start getting hooked on something, and that's maybe the OCD side that I have, is everything that I do in life, I give 100% energy and dedication. When I learn new things, and I always want to learn new things in life, I really dig deep. And you guys saw this recently. I've done a lot of videos on the new graphene technology with a few chemists, as I like to inform myself on new technologies and kind of understand the why. So why we do things, why products were invented, how we do things, how to properly do things. And so I get information left and right from different sources, and then I come back and do my own testing, and I come out with my own way of doing things, as I'm sure many of you guys do. So what's cool about YouTube is you have access to many tutorials, many product reviews, but I'm sure that every single one of you have your own way of detailing your cars. And in the end, that's the cool thing. As long as you use safe washing, safe drying techniques, and you're being careful about what you're doing, there are many different ways to get to the same end result. There is not just one product that you can use, or one tool, or one piece of equipment that will get you to a better result. I'm a firm believer in use something that you enjoy using and use it often. And so the ultimate purpose basically is to always clean the surface, enhance the surface, and protect the surface. And when you get to understand your own detailing regime and which steps and processes that you guys want to use, well, you can also get to a cool result. But to get back to the point where I wanted to share why I enjoy this process so much, I started to realize that because I had to focus on the task at hand, because let's be honest, detailing is a lot of hard work, and I've never seen it as work. Why? Because I thoroughly enjoy the process. So when I say that it removes my mind off of things, well, you have to focus so much on the task that you're performing that what I realized is that it makes me forget about the everyday woes or any issues that you might have been having. If you have a bad day, you're going to kind of forget of what's going on because you're working so hard to take imperfections out of the finish, or remove that last piece of dirt that you kind of found going through the vehicle with kind of your eyes as a microscope and wanting to get everything perfect. So the chase of perfection, I think, leads to your mind having a soothing experience. And I find it very relaxing because, I mean, you're in the moment. You're going to spend a few hours, sometimes many days in the garage. And so it gives you a break. It gives your family or your spouse a break as well. So I'm seeing my girlfriend through the glass windows here, and I see her in the house. I'm sure she enjoys when I detail because she gets a break of Pan as well. And so, yeah, you just get to have some time off from the everyday routine. And you go into your garage or you go outside, you fill up that bucket and you see the suds. If you have a foam cannon, you foam the car up. There's, I think, more to that than just what you see. It's the effect it has on your brain. And I think mental health is more important than ever, guys. And I know there's 10% of women on my channel and 90% guys. So it's nice to see that women as well enjoy detailing. And so I think girls or women in general have an easier time to share their emotions and feelings about why they need help sometimes to get over things. And they have different ways of going about stress relief. They talk among each other. They can seek professional help if need be. Basically, they let their emotions out, and that helps to relieve some of their stress. Guys, I think, have much harder times to express themselves or to share, because you're supposed to be a guy, right? You're supposed to be tough and strong and not kind of share when you're going through tough patches in life, but everybody goes through those. And I think one easy way and why guys enjoy detailing so much is that it's kind of our therapy. So it's our way of disconnecting with the everyday world and just enjoying a process thoroughly. And basically, yeah, just finding a way for us to have some mental relief. And again, share in the comments if you feel that sentiment or if you share those thoughts. And if detailing is not only a passion, but a way for you guys to also have some therapy. Because I think more and more there's a reason why detailing channels are so popular. There's some people often who comment in the comment sections who say, listen, I watch Pan TheOrganizer's videos and I don't even have a car. And in the beginning, I thought that was odd, but the more I did videos through the years, the more I realized that there's a reason for that. There's something very satisfying about watching somebody do a proper detail or do the different detailing or cleaning steps, both for the interior and exterior of a vehicle. Again, there's something soothing. There's something that stimulates the senses and that you're watching somebody else work so hard to achieve a result. So you see the beginning, so the before kind of shots when the car is dirty, and you see the after shots and the results that the person performed with their own hands using their own manual labor, and through the hours spent detailing the vehicle. Well, the outcome is absolutely amazing, and I think those people also enjoy watching that because, again, there's something soothing. I also did a few videos that are more ASMR style, and what ASMR stands for, basically, it's the soothing or relaxing experience that you get when watching a video that contains either actions or bits of sound that the brain responds to, and basically sights and sounds of a detailing process. So no talking, just enjoying those, and those have been heavily popular. And again, I think that is because people need to have some sort of stress relief or relieve any anxiety that they experience in their everyday lives. And so you have to find different ways or techniques. Some people use yoga, some people use meditation, and what I have found for myself that works well is going through car detailing. So every time I feel a bit of stress, and I'm sure everyone out there feels stress at a different level, but personally, I'm a person that's very anxious in life. I always strive for the utmost performance. I always strive for perfection, and that OCD portion in me as well pushes me, of course, to work hard and achieve great things, but that also comes with great stress. And to relieve that, well, I have found that detailing really does it for me. I can't thank the detailing community enough. Since I started my detailing channel in April of 2016, thanks to you guys, we have made this one of the biggest and fastest growing car detailing channels on YouTube. At the time of this recording, we're not quite in mid-October yet, but we have surpassed 535,000 subscribers and 16 million views. I think that's a testament to just how much people enjoy detailing and wanting to learn more about car detailing. So as I always say, all the tips, the tricks, the techniques, the products, the equipment, basically those are all tools to get to enjoy the process even more. And I hope I can share my passion through these videos with you guys and just have these discussions as well. So one thing I noticed is that it's not only the video reviews about products or tutorials on how to do things, but sometimes coming up with these different style videos just gives you guys a bit of an insight to what goes on in my brain. And so my brand is all about excelling at what you guys do, encouraging you guys to go out there and enjoy the process of detailing your vehicles, all while educating you on new processes, new tools, new products, new equipment, new technologies, but also we're just giving you the knowledge, I think, and empower you to go out there and do a proper job. So if I've achieved that, well, thumbs up. And that also goes with my motto. It's funny because today I'm wearing the Pan TheOrganizer shirt, which you can find on my merch store. Links in the description under the video. But basically, I'm holding a polisher and a microfiber towel, and that's the smile I have on my face. Even after 23 years of detailing, guys, I still enjoy it. I think you can see through the smiles in the videos that every single moment I do these videos, I enjoy them very thoroughly. I enjoy meeting different people as well in the detailing community. Whether it's you guys in car shows like the Chicago Auto Show that I was a part with, Turtle Wax in the winter of 2020, right before COVID. Seeing you guys at SEMA in 2018 when I went there, just meeting you fans, responding to comments, chatting with you when I do live streams. Basically different ways of staying connected and hoping to convey not only my passion to you, but to bring a smile to your face. If I can entertain you and educate you, even if it's just a little bit, well, I have done my job. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy the detailing process as much as I do. There is something, again, like I said, super therapeutic about this. So as always, go out there, learn new things, test new products. If a product doesn't work for you, it doesn't matter. Just use it, test it, and if it doesn't meet your criteria, move on to the next one. We're lucky in this day and age. We have thousands and thousands of detailing products from hundreds, maybe thousands of brands out there. There are new brands coming out almost every day, and it's very enlightening to see that there's a lot of brains behind this, a lot of smart people coming out with different technologies, different products, allowing us to enjoy the process even better. Who would have thought when I first started detailing 23 years ago, we were using paste waxes that took forever to apply on a vehicle. and it left some white residue. They were super hard to buff off. You'd try and work in sunlight and it wouldn't work. They'd maybe last a month or two on your paint. And then paint sealants came along, and then ceramic coatings came along, and now graphene coatings. And it's so interesting to see the evolution. Like in a matter of 15 to 20 minutes now, you can use a spray-on product that will boost gloss, give you insane hydrophobic properties for beading and sheeting, give you UV protection, boost gloss slickness, enrich the way your paint looks, so give that nice shine and enrich the color as well, and give you long-lasting protection, 1, 2, 3 years or more. That's super exciting to me, and I'll continue to be like a kid in a candy store when I test these new products, and hopefully I can share my findings with you and make your day a lot more fun and give you some entertainment, of course, and education along the way. By the way, if you like these kinds of videos, one way that you can show me your support is smash that thumbs up button. That always shows me that you guys are interested in the content I come up with. And so, yeah, I'm looking forward to the next video. You never know, by the way, what the next video is going to be on the Pan TheOrganizer channel. And also, you never know what is going to happen next on my social media. So follow me on my Instagram page. The link is going to be in the description under the video, because I do some giveaways often for you guys, regardless of where you live around the planet. So sometimes it's Canada, sometimes it's USA, and many times it's around the world as well. You never know what crazy content I'll come up with. Follow me on Facebook as well. I keep you guys updated on the latest content. And of course, make sure that you subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button that's found under this video. And that way you'll also be subscribed to my channel and never miss my future videos, so you can continue to learn more about car detailing. So all the products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques. If you guys also agree that car detailing is a soothing experience and that it's a stress relief and an anxiety relief, drop a comment in the comments. I always read your comments and try to respond to everyone every day on YouTube. You guys know that. And in the meantime, guys, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.